Is your Subaru alarm constantly going off? The most common culprits are faulty door hood switches, a sensitive interior sensor, or key fob issues. First, check if all doors, the hood, and the trunk are completely closed. A slightly ajar door can trigger the alarm. Next, examine the door and hood switches for corrosion or damage. These switches signal the car if something is open. Use a multimeter to test continuity. A lack of continuity when closed indicates a faulty switch. If the alarm goes off seemingly at random, the interior sensor might be too sensitive. Try adjusting the sensor's sensitivity if your model allows, or ensure nothing is moving inside the car that could trigger it. For key fob issues, check battery or synchronization. If a door or hood switch is faulty, replacement is often the best solution. These parts are generally inexpensive, around $50. You can find guides online on SubaruOutback.org or Reddit's r/Subaru for replacing them yourself or have a mechanic do it. Key fob problems often cause alarm issues due to synchronization loss or low battery. Try replacing the fob battery first. If that doesn't work, consult your owner's manual for the fob reset procedure, or use the My Subaru app if you have a newer model with OTA update capabilities. For persistent issues, especially after trying these fixes, a visit to a Subaru dealership might be necessary to rule out BCM problems. Dealership diagnostics average $150 to $300, but can prevent further issues.